Okay, so good morning all, and this is the first session related to our SSB Stage 1 workshop. And first of all, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself. Just give me your name, your native place, your educational qualification, your number of SSB attempts, and your upcoming SSB date. We can start with Hitesh.
Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Kumar. I am from Hisar, Haryana. I have done my graduation from BTech Civil Engineering from JGU University. I have given so far 9 SSBs in which 1 conference out, 8 screen outs. My next SSB on 13th May, Dehradun, Air Force. Thank you.
Harsh.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Harsh, and I'm from Rajasthan, Jaipur. And I did my graduation from Government Engineering College, Bharuch, in Electronic and Communication Engineering. Upcoming SB is on 27 May, and it will be my third SB. I'll give you SB before, which was SC Tech Entries, and both were spin out.
Okay, Raj.
Good morning, everyone. I am Raj. Basically, belong to district Badaयूं, UP. It is situated in western part of UP. I have completed my BTech in mechanical engineering. I have been 2 times screened out from Bangalore and Coast Guard entry, and my SSB scheduled on 6th of May in Allahabad.
Okay, Ravi.
My name is Ravi Kiran and I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I am currently pursuing degree and my upcoming SSB is in 19th August and it will be my first SSB
Okay,
in Mysore.
Mysore, AFSB. So I'm
Yes,
also
sir.
I'm also living in Mysore. So whenever you come to Mysore, just let me know. We'll meet. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Ashish.
Hello.
Yeah, Ashish. Yes.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. My name is Ashish and I am from Maharashtra. So I studied computer science engineering in Bangalore in Alliance University. I have given 2 SSB attempts, 1 conference out and 1 screen out. My next SSB is on 21 May.
Okay. Abhishek.
Good morning all. My name is Abhishek Pandit. I am born and brought up in Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir. Talking about my education, I have completed my entire schooling from Udhampur only, and for my graduation, I have completed my graduation in civil engineering from Pune University. And talking about my SSB attempts, till now I have given 9 SSB attempts, out of which there are 4 conference out and 5 screen outs. And my next SSB is on 8 May, Bhopal. Thank you.
Okay. Queer.
Hello everyone, this is Raju. I'm from Sahabat, Jharkhand, and currently I'm pursuing BCA degree from Patna. And my current SSB, my upcoming SSB will be on 22nd of May, and this will be my first SSB.
Okay. Ginu.
Good morning, friends. I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I did my degree in civil engineering at Anna University from Chennai itself. Till now, I have given 11 attempts, 3 conferences, and I have my upcoming SSB on May 9. It is SSC Tech on Jalandhar.
Ginu, you can turn on your auto rotation in your phone so that you can be in a horizontal frame. Deepak.
Good morning, friends. I am Deepak from Fatehabad district, Haryana. I have done my BSc Electronics from Guru Jambheshwari University, Hisar, and I have given the exam of Indian Coast Guard Assistant Commandant. Yet result is not declared. Preparing for SSB.
Okay, you're preparing for PSB. Okay. So in
Yes,
stage 1, like we have freshers as well with us, so we are going to discuss a lot in detail about the stage 1. Okay, so if we talk about the normal SSBs of tri services, it involves 2 things. Okay, first is OIR, that is Officer Intelligence Rating, and second is the PPDT, that is Picture Perception and Discussion Test. Okay, if we divide this stage 1 into weightage, okay, so PPDT carries around 75% of weightage. Okay, so you know the importance and the value of PPDT. Around 75% is coming from the PPDT side and only 25% is carried by the OIR. So it doesn't mean that you are going to mainly focus on PPDT. Okay, you have to equally give your best in your OIR as well, because if you have good OIR score, that is OIR 1 or 2, then you will get advantage during your screening as well as your services as well. Okay, if you are able to score OIR 1, then there is a good amount of chance if you want to opt for military intelligence in the services. So if you have good OIR, that is OIR 1, then only you will get into the military intelligence or other services related to intelligence. Okay, so you have to perform well in both the tests. But the significance of PPDT is more compared to that is OIR. Okay, So you have to practice a lot of OIR as well as PPDT. ठीक है. In the current sessions, we are going to mainly focus on PPDT. ठीक है. So if we talk about OIR first, in OIR there will be 2 tests will be conducted. They will provide you 2 booklets. ठीक है. And you have to solve those booklets within certain time. ठीक है. It depends on the difficulty of the booklets. There are certain types of number of booklets, like serial numbers are given to those booklets, like there is booklet number 34, 35, 53, 54, 73, 74. And nowadays they are also giving booklets of 3 digits, like 200 to 203. And these booklets are very time consuming, like these 202 and 203. So like these like OIR booklets which are in 2 digits, that is 34, 35, 53, 54, 73, in 70 series, something like that. So I am going to provide you original DIPR OIR booklets. So if you are lucky enough, you will get the same set in your SSBs, especially if you're going for AFSB and Trial Services SSB. ठीक है, Army or Navy. ठीक है, nowadays there are few boards they are giving the booklets of series 3 digit series. So if you get the series, no need to worry about it because it is same for all. ठीक है, तुम्हारे साथ अगर तुम्हारे मार्क्स कम आएंगे तो बाकियों के भी कम आ रहे हैं. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट इट. समझ आ रहा है? सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड यू 2 OIR booklets. ठीक है, go through those OIR booklets thoroughly and learn those answers because you will not get time much. Okay, if you are able to like solve these answers, you have to solve it by yourself only. And if you are able to learn these answers, it will be of great help. Because if you find any questions which are not from the booklet, you have enough time to solve those questions. Otherwise, all the questions which you get from the same booklet which I am going to provide you in the group, so you can take help from there. Okay, so you have to practice. You can refer to Testbook app. There is a Testbook app on which you will get a lot of OIRs as well. First of all, you have to go through these OIR sets which I am going to provide you. Okay, that is sufficient. But at the same time, if you want to practice more, okay, if you don't have the confidence, so if you want to enhance your confidence, you can go and take help from the textbook and you can solve the OIRs with time limit. But the problem with textbook OIR sets is that there are certain types of questions which they give in their test, which is not which does not come in your real SSBs. So don't worry about those questions. There are certain topics and the topics they are giving questions from. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you're not able to solve it, forget about it. Okay, so this is how you have to tackle the OIR. Anyone having any doubt related to OIR? Yes, Harsh.
No, sir, all clear.
Okay, so OIR you have to perform really well. If you are able to score 2 or 1, okay, you are good to go. Now the major part of your PPDT, that is stage 1, okay, comes to PPDT, picture perception and discussion test, which is going to play a crucial part in your recommendation in your stage 1. Okay, if we talk about PPDT is also divided into 3 parts. First is story writing, second is individual narration, and third is GD participation. And all these 3 parts are equally important. Your story writing is going to be assessed by the psychologist. Second, your individual narration is going to be assessed by the interviewing officer. And third, your GD participation is going to be assessed by the GTO. So these 3 assessors will be sitting in front of you while you are giving your individual narration and all. So first, for those who are freshers, I will tell you the procedure. Okay. First of all, you go to SSB, you will get your all document verification and all, everything will be done. Then you go to a hall. Okay. They will first give you OIR test. They will give you 2 booklets, one verbal, one non-verbal, and they will give you like time according to the difficulty of the booklets. After completion of the OIR, okay, then they will proceed towards the PPDT. Okay, I will read the instructions and I will tell you each and everything about what all things we need to keep in mind before this PPDT. Okay, so first let me show like how many of you are aware about the PPDT sheet. Anyone who has not seen PPDT answer sheet? Ravi. So you are not aware about the PPDT sheet. Okay, let me share my screen. I will show you कि PPDT screen कैसी, वो PPDT sheet कैसी दिखती है. ठीक है. Ravi, you are able to see the PPDT sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the box. Keep this box in your mind, and there is a action part written on the right side, and there is a story. ठीक है, below the box. ठीक है. So keep all these things in your mind, because I'm going to talk about the instructions you need to follow. How you are going to utilize this sheet. What all things you have to mention in the box. What is this action? What is this story? Okay. Yes, Harsh, you have any doubt?
So I have a doubt regarding time limit. In written SSBs, we got more time related regarding OIR, but in SSB Tech, they are less time.
Actually,
What is the time limit of
it depends on
ODA?
the officers and NCO. Generally in army,
Yes,
for
sir.
yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir. I have feel that because in Allahabad we got more time compared to in Jalandhar.
Actually, it depends on the NCOs. If they are in a hurry, they don't care about your time. They don't care about your OIR and all. Okay? And they even don't care about your individual narration. If the assessor have less time, they will interrupt you and stop you before your completion of your individual narration. So it totally depends on the
Yes,
mood
sir.
of the
Same
assessors.
thing.
Okay?
Yes, same thing happened in my last SSB in Jalandhar.
But
I didn't
because
complete my story.
yes, in general, like like in army, they don't follow the rule book much. Okay. But when it comes to AFSB or NSB, that is Naval Selection Board or AFSB, they go by rule book. So they are going to give you proper time. Okay, for your OIR or for your PPDT individual narration and all. Okay. So, but in army, generally, this OIR is conducted by NCO only. So if he follows the instructions of the officer, if officers wants them to conduct the OIR as soon as possible, so they will give you less time. They don't care about how many questions you are going to cover. Okay. But you have to attempt all the questions. If you are not able to cover, like NCO will tell you that you are only left with 2 minutes and there are 10 questions left in your OIR. You have to mark all these questions as well. You have to answer. There is no negative marking in OIR. So you have to attempt each and every question of the OIR. Okay. Anything else related to time limit of OIR? Yes, Raj.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding a particular question, dice rotation.
Yes.
How to solve these questions? They ask the dice rotated and it is same as the previous dice or not? Yes or no type question, sir.
Actually, there is a like very good conceptual videos on YouTube. How to solve these dice, like similar or not similar. Okay, I would suggest you to go through those videos related to dice questions, and you will be able to learn the concept and implement those things. I also learned it from YouTube only. Okay, then only you will get to know about the dice questions. And one trick, if you are confused, like if these two dice are similar or not, if there is confusion, always mark yes. ठीक है, अगर कंफ्यूजन है तो ये मान के चलना वो सिमिलर ही होगा. अगर डाउट है, अगर नो है, अगर क्लियरली पता चल रहा है कि हाँ यार कुछ गड़बड़ है, तो नो पे मार्क करो. अदरवाइज इफ देयर इज एनी कंफ्यूजन इन योर माइंड कि यार ये हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, तो ऑलवेज गो फॉर यस, बिकॉज इट इज सिमिलर. गॉट इट, राज?
Okay, sir, got it. Please share those.
Yeah, I will share
Videos you mentioned
the videos.
in the
I will
group.
share the OIR sets and all the study material in the group. Don't worry about it. Yes, Deepak, you have any doubt?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Sir, OIR cutoff in PSP, sir.
Nowadays there is no cutoff in PSB, because like earlier when you used to go for direct entries in Coast Guard, they wanted to filter out certain candidates. Nowadays you are going after clearing CG CAT. So last time when I went to PSB Chennai, 31 candidates appeared for the PSB, and all the 31 candidates cleared their OIR, that is CCBT, and they all participated in the PPDT. Got it? So don't worry about the cutoff. Just practice the CCBT according to the videos I have provided on the YouTube channel. Okay, go through that, and there are multiple mock tests. Okay, related to that CCBT, you can take reference from there and practice accordingly. Okay, Deepak.
Okay, sir.
And if you want to learn certain concepts on which questions come in your CCBT, you can take reference from YouTube. There are very good channels available on the internet, and they give like very good conceptual knowledge, and they will tell you the tips and tricks to solve the questions in very short interval of time. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to conduct a PPDT. Although like Ravi is a fresher, so don't worry, Ravi. This is a practice we are going to conduct in order to understand. Like अभी तुम्हारा stage किस level पे हो, ठीक है? We'll get to know. After that, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to learn the concepts, how to write a good story, what all things we need to keep in mind while writing a good story, what we need to avoid, what we need to improve, or what we need to like include in our story. Otherwise, our story will be like perceived as a preconceived idea, or it is not relatable to that particular picture given on the screen. So we'll get to know about the do's and don'ts, concepts of how to write a good TAT story or PPDT stories. Okay. After that, we will do a rigorous PPDT practice in the upcoming sessions. Okay. The concepts will be of 1 or 2 classes. After that, we will have 4 to 5 days. We will do rigorous practice and I will give you individual feedbacks on a daily basis so that you can implement and improve those things. Okay. So I request everyone please ready with pen and paper and make the PPDT answer sheet like that, which I have showed you just now. Let me share my screen. If anyone encounters any problem, just let me know on that spot. Okay. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes.
Okay. So these instructions are visible to all. Picture
Yes, sir.
perception and discussion test, PP and DT instructions are visible to all. Okay. So carefully understand and listen to these instructions, है ना? Because based on these instructions, you have to complete this exercise. Okay. So a hazy picture will be shown for 30 seconds. ये जो hazy picture है, ये hazy हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती है. It depends on the SSB center. Okay. It depends on the assessor, what they want to show you. A hazy picture will be shown for 30 seconds. Observe the picture very carefully and perceive important details like number of characters, their gender, and mood. You have to fill the observed details in the box provided on the left side of PPDT sheet. ठीक है? You have to fill the observed detail in the box provided on the left side. जो left side में box था, you have to provide the details of the characters you have observed inside the picture. Mark M for male, F for female, P for people. ठीक है? अगर मेल है तो M करना है, F for female, and if you are not able to recognize the gender of the character, you can mark P. ठीक है? P for people. Then you have to write the age of the characters. It can be in exact number or it can be in the close range like 45 to 48 years. ठीक है? 45 to 48 years is the example. ठीक है? So you have to observe the picture very carefully and you have to mark the gender, age and mood of the character. ठीक है? You also have to mark the mood of the character. Positive means positive mood, minus means negative mood, and 0 or O means neutral mood. ठीक है? So whenever you encounter any character, you have to write these 3 details inside the box. You have to encircle the character who you see the first or the character who catches your attention. You have to encircle the character who you see the first or the character who catches your attention. ठीक है? Maybe he can be your hero or maybe not. Mark these details in the box provided on the left side of the PP and DT answer sheet. And you have to write the action of your story on the space provided on the right side of the PP and DT sheet. Till now, anyone having any doubt or confusion? किसी को कोई डाउट? रवि?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's move ahead. This is the test of imagination. Write whatever came first to your mind without thinking about the beauty of expression. As there is no correct or wrong responses, you have to include feelings and emotions of the character while writing the story. ठीक है? Focus on these part, feelings and emotions of the character while writing the story. You have to write the story, but don't have to describe the picture. Please don't describe the picture. ठीक है? It is of no use. You have to write the story in about 100 words in a single paragraph. You have to answer 3 thematic questions. What led to the situation, what is currently happening, and what is the possible outcome. So, if you want to make a story, just not to describe the picture, you have to answer these 3 questions. What led to the situation, what is currently happening, and what is the possible outcome. Total time is 5 minutes. 1 minute is for box marking. And immediately after bell, you have to write the story writing in 4 minutes. ठीक है? So, I'm going to flash the picture for around 30 seconds. Observe the picture carefully. And after your observation, I will give you 5 minutes more. ठीक है? 1 minute for box filling or box marking and then 4 minutes for story writing. And after these 5 minutes, you have to send your stories in the group or WhatsApp or Telegram through which you are connected with me. And then I will give you 5 more minutes to prepare for the individual narration. And then after the completion of the time, we will start. I will allot you chest numbers and we will start the individual narration like according to the chest numbers. And then this individual narration will be followed by the group discussion. And after the group discussion, you have to come up with a common group story and you have to nominate one person to give the common group story or narrate the common group story to the assessor. Okay. So everything is clear related to process. Just acknowledge. Give me yes. I'm not able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So be ready. I'm going to
Sir.
flash the yes. Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So shall we start? I'm going to flash the picture for around 30 seconds on the screen. Be ready. Okay. Here is your picture. Time's up. Start writing. You have 5 more minutes to complete your story.
A few moments later.
Okay, time up everyone. Stop writing. Send your stories in the group or WhatsApp or Telegram through which you are connected with me. And your time starts now for your individual narration preparation. Okay. You have 5 more minutes to prepare for your individual narration. And your time starts now. Send your stories as soon as possible. Don't waste time.
A few moments later.
Okay, everyone. Time up. So I have allotted you chest numbers. Okay. Chest number 1 is Deepak. Chest number 2 Raj. 3 Harsh. 4 Ravi. 5 Jeenu. 6 Square. 7 Abhishek. 8 Ashish. 9 Hitesh. So first of all, we are going to give the individual narrations from chest number 1 to chest number 9. And after the individual narration of chest number 9, Hitesh, you have to start the GD instantaneously. I'm not going to instruct you to start the GD. Okay. After the individual narration, as soon as he completes his individual narration, chest number 9, you have to start your GD. And you have to come up with a common group story. So I request everyone, please turn on your camera so that I can also observe your facial expressions while participating in the group discussion and while your individual narration. Okay. So everybody is ready.
Sir, who is last test number?
Last test number is Hitesh.
Uh.
I have posted all these test numbers in the chat box. You can take reference from there. Okay. So everybody is clear with their chest numbers. Anyone having any confusion related to chest numbers? Okay. So chest number 1, you can start with your yes, Harsh.
So I have to listen. What my chest number?
Harsh, your chest number is 3.
Okay.
Okay. So anyone else having any doubt related to their chest numbers? Okay. So I believe everybody is ready. So chest number 1, Deepak, you can start with your individual narration.
And from the picture, I pursue that there are 2 female character and 3 male character. All are age of 20 to 23 age. So there is a college program here. Ajay wants to participate in drama competitions. So he decided that from his class he wants a girl who can perform female character in drama with him. So he asked from the class who is interested to perform with him. So a girl raised her hand and who was interested to perform drama with Ajay. So they both of them go to the stage and perform on the topic of women empowerment. There they gave the message on the dowry system or reservations in elections for women empowerment and many other such topics for women harassments also. After that, they perform the drama and convey their message very properly. At last, the chief guest stand up and praise both of them.
Time up.
And
Next.
Friends, from the picture, I perceive total 5 characters. All are male, each bracket 17 to 28 years. All are in positive mood. Action of my story, doubt clearing class. Rajan was the maths teacher at SK Inter College Meerut. After taking maths class, he came to know many students were not getting the concept of maths some problems. So he asked to the particular students to solve their doubts and clarify their problems. He asked them one by one, and he gave them the concept in a very easy manner and gave them similar problems to solve at home. On the next day, he checked all the problems he solved in a very easy manner, and Rajan felt satisfied with his efforts. Thank you, friends.
Next.
Good morning, gentlemen. In the given picture, I present 5 characters, 2 female, 3 male. All were in positive mood. Each between the male one age between 24 to 52. The main character is Raj. He was an assistant professor in the Government Engineering College, Bharuch. He is a CSE professor. One day he was taught his student about AI, artificial intelligence. But some students don't get the point of is AI is harmful or not. Raj is not able to give the correct answer of it, but he went home and searched about AI and get the answer and solve the doubt of the student next morning. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. In this picture, there are total 5 persons, and my main character is Shubham, the one who is standing. He's a teacher who is teaching regarding mythology, and and other students are eagerly listening to him, since his way of teaching is so easy to understand and simple. That's it, sir.
Next.
Friends, from the picture, I could perceive 3 male characters and 2 female characters. They are in the age group of 21 to 26 and all are in positive mode. The action of my story is giving induction on GATE exam. The story commences. My protagonist Anuj, after completing his graduation in IIT Madras, he decided to open an institute as more number of students from his hometown are leaving to Chennai and other cities across the India to give GATE exam. So he decided to open a coaching institute. He gathered all the students, gave them admission, let them in, told them about the entire scheme and schedule of the GATE exam. He also displayed the previous question paper. He gave them the worksheets, study materials, which is soft copy and hard copy. He told them about the required syllabus and knowledge to clear the GATE exam. He also gave them the itinerary for the complete 6 months to clear the GATE exam. All the students felt inquisitive and they started to work really hard for their upcoming GATE exam. Thank you.
Next.
I perceive total 5 characters, 2 male and 3 females. The action of my story is encouraging students to perform well in the events. Ramu was the main character. He was a member of a student council. He found out that the college was not doing excellent and the college students are not performing well in their events. So what he did was he took help from the administration. He encouraged students to participate in various events for inter-college competitions. He helped them in various ways, and when the competition came, since he had encouraged them, so the students performed excellent well and got various prizes. And later he was very glad that he could be of help.
Next.
Friends, from the given picture, I have perceived 4 characters, 3 male and 1 female. All are in the age group of 60 to 32 years and are all in neutral mood. The action of my story is organizing the debate competition. Sudhir, 32 years old, was currently posted as the assistant professor in the government college in Rajouri district. He was very enthusiastic and fond of teaching. He on one day went to the college and was asked to organize the debate competition on the Gandhi Jayanti among the students of his class. He reached the class, shared the details of all the competition, got the names of the students and gave them a designated time and date. He further helped the team to organize the events like choosing the hall where the event was going to organize, decorating the place or rearranging the decks, etc. He on the D-Day welcomed all the students and completed the event after distributing prize and certificate among them. He at the end felt very satisfied and thanked the team for their cooperation. Thanks.
Next.
Good morning, gentlemen. In the picture, I have perceived 5 characters, 2 male and 3 female. 4 are around 16 to 17 age, and one male is around 27 to 30. So Ram is a 16-year-old boy. He is a student of class 10 who is going to have his board exams. Overall, he is a good student in all the subjects, but in maths he has some doubts. He is working hard on that as well to get good marks. He regularly studies with his friends as well. He helps them and also clears his doubts from the teachers. So later, after the exam, all went well, and he met all his teachers and thanked them for the sessions and doubts they have cleared. Thank you.
I have perceived 5 characters, 3 male, 2 female, of age between 20 to 23 with general mood positive. The action of my story is preparation for placement interview. Ravi, 23-year-old, is a final year BTech civil engineer student. He and his friends got information that L&T company coming for placement after 2 months. Firstly, they helped each other in preparing resume. After the college is over, they together do group study in the class, and the student who is strong in any subject help each other in understanding the concept and solving the doubts. Also, they have taken mock interviews of each other and tell their weaknesses. Ravi and some of his friends are lacking in communication skills. For that, they started doing group discussion at random topic and started practicing in front of mirror. Before the interview, they are very confident and well prepared. The day came, they all performed really well in the interview as well as written exam. Ravi got very happy that he and all his friends got selected. Thank you.
Gentlemen, as majority of the narration which I have listened, maximum of them are relating towards the college team. So let us
After it is clear that there are total 5 characters. 2
Yes,
to
first
3
of all,
female
Yes, the number of characters should be
and one
5.
person who is
first of
standing
all, we
in
should move
front
into the
of the
step-by
some
direction.
students.
First
He,
of all,
I
we
think,
should
is
move
a
in step-by
teacher.
direction
So
and
we
decide
should
the number
select
of
our team
characters
like
first,
doubt
and
clearing class.
after deciding the number of characters, we will move that theme fixation.
You
So
consider
let
the
us
main
decide the
character
number of
as
So I guess we should decide the
as
theme
majority
first
of our
before
so majority
moving on to the story.
as majority of in our
I guess majority of
we
us
have decided the
decided 5
number of
characters.
characters is
So
5 characters. So let us go
Yeah.
with the number
let
of
us
characters 5.
go.
5
So the
As we
number
go with the
Yeah, I think
characters,
let's get to the number of characters. We should name the
with
I
me.
guess seeing the picture is clearly visible that there are one person who is standing in front of the students
Now we decided
and
the
one person
characters.
who is
Now we
raising his
decided
hand
the
like he is asking some doubt. So we should select our team without clearing class.
decided the number of characters.
We are clear with the number of characters.
As we have decided the number of characters, let us decide the number of
Okay,
characters.
gentlemen, stop discussion.
Out of those,
Gentlemen,
Test
stop
number
discussion.
7. Test number 7.
I request everyone, please stop. I'm going to split you into 2 groups. Okay, so first group is from chess number 1 to 5. You can start your discussion.
So friends,
Friends, it is clearly visible in the picture that one person who is standing in front of some students. I think he is a teacher and one person he is asking some doubt from the teacher. So we should select our theme like that. This is a doubt clearing class.
We'll discuss
Agree
about
with
the
Raj.
execution. Then we'll go into the action part. So there are 5 characters, 3 male and 2 female. The person who is standing is the main character of a story, and it looks like a private institution because the students are seated in unorganized manner. So we'll go with the private institution rather than going with a college lecture. We'll go with some private organization. As one of them also mentioned about the placement training, we'll go with like they want to get placed in the company. For that they need to clear some GATE exam. Then they are getting personalized program for their personal interview. So we'll.
From right,
Now we decided
from the
background,
picture we
so
see
let
that
us
a girl
discuss
raised their
the
hand.
actions, what the action taken, because all of us not decided the action yet. Because time is left.
Okay,
so
friends, in my perception, we should
We have seen
select the
from the
theme
picture
that they
that the
are
girl raised
preparing for
her hand to
exam,
asking some
like they
doubt
are
from that
preparing
picture.
for placement. They are preparing for placement. Then we should select this theme. Okay, for this they are solving all the previous year's question, taking help from their seniors, and also they taking help from the placement training and placement center, and also ask some questions from the HR manager to help them in the interview time.
And they organize the
No, it is not the scene of placements. No, it is not the scene of placement.
Because I can understand, but some of our friends make the theme on the placement, so we should go theme now.
We're going with this. We're going with Divo.
I think Dino story is better.
Yeah, for the placement, they rehearse all the questions and practice in front of the mirror. They are dressing well and also preparing in group for the group discussion round. So they did very well in their interview.
Yes, I agree with the actions of Cheshama Raj. So the outcome will be they all did well in their placement and they got selected in that particular company. So we are clear with what it is the situation, action part, and the futuristic outcome of the story.
Okay, group number 1, please stop your
In
discussion.
advance, they prepare their resume very well.
Okay, Raj. Now from chess number 6 to 9 and Ravi as well. Please, Ravi, participate in the discussion of group 2.
Gentlemen, let us divide the discussion into different parts. So first of all, what we do, we would
Decide the number
select the number of characters and number of gender. After that, we will select the theme of a particular teacher. Since majority-
I guess 5 number of characters are there. 1 is teacher
Yes, exactly.
and 4 are students.
Yes, 5 number of characters. There are 3 males and 2 females out of them.
We can go with this, but the age we can take is between 20 to 25 because the person who is teaching them is looking similar age to them.
Exactly. The
I don't think the person
Yes, they all
I don't think the
are
person
similar age.
is teaching. According to me, I don't think the person is teaching.
we can also proceed.
It could be that
proceed like what Hitesh said. The protagonist of the complete picture is that person which is standing in the front of the picture, and that guy is having a notepad and pen in his hand. So we can make a story that he is taking the name of the students which are going to participate in the debate competition, and the students which are present in
We can go with the story that they are going to organize something.
Yes. Since he is taking the names of that particular students onto his notepad, so we can make a story on the debate competition, and we can go with the debate competition on the Gandhi Jayanti. For that, he is taking the names of the students of his class.
Okay, we can go with this theme. Let us insert some actions in this.
So let us put some action into it. So what we can do that Sudhir is a 32 years currently posted as assistant professor in a particular college in a Rajouri district. So he on one day went to the college and got an assignment to organize a debate competition for the Gandhi Jayanti festival, which is going to which is going to held in next week. So what he did, he went to the classroom which he was coordinator. He jotted down he first of all shared the details of the competition in the entire classroom and jotted down the names of the students who are going to volunteer for the debate competition.
Okay,
Right.
okay. After that, talking about the competition, what are the activities he will do? Means what are the action he had taken? Like he promoted the tournament through the university website or through posters and help the volunteers to promote the tournament and organize the debate competition.
We can also add that point Suresh, also that he can publicize the particular event on the college official website or the among different WhatsApp groups which he has joined among with the students of different communities also. And after that, after jotting down the list of the names, he gave them a deadline that this is a particular date and time that you should be ready for your debate competition. You should clear all the facts.
Okay.
And after that, he went to the different teams which were organizing the event. For example, which were decorating the classroom, or for the debate competition, we all know that we should require a big hall. So he chose the hall and rearranged the desk in the particular manner in which the debate is going to happen.
Okay, okay.
And
They can also invite the chief guest. Now, chief guest are coming prize distribution ceremony,
Yes,
and
we
after
can-
that they also clean the.
we can invite the principal, or we can invite any dignitary outside from the college, whether it is HOD or something else from the other department, or anything which is related to the public administration. Since we are organizing a debate on the Gandhi Jayanti, which is a public domain, so we can invite or include any chief guest which is related to any public administration domain.
Okay, now everyone can participate.
So gentlemen, as we have
When
discussed
is the
mutually,
group
there
two
are
is
5 number of
group two
characters, and
decided
out of
that
which there
organize
are
a Gandhi Jayanti, organize a debate competition on the festival of Gandhi Jayanti. So we should go with this theme. We should add more actions
Yes,
like
yes,
that.
right.
For that, our main organizer made the question for the debate competition, specific question, and record the names of the participants and divide
Exactly.
the
We can also
whole
add
student into subgroups.
one more point. We can also add one more point that while organizing that event, he also did anchoring to initiate that event, to tell all the details of the particular event to all the dignitaries or all which are come up to that particular event. So-
Okay, we can also.
Definitely. Our main organizer also organize the seating arrangement for the audience and also refreshment for the participants. Similarly, he also bring sponsorship from the different company manager, contacted to the different company managers and bring some sponsorship for the event.
Yes, after completing that particular
Okay,
event,
Okay,
we can
time
go
up.
with the
Time up,
distribution.
everyone. Time up, Abhishek. Now I want Ravi, Quer, and Ashish. Chest number 4, 6, and 8. Start your GD.
Okay, gentlemen.
Okay,
So
so-
I think we should first decide the number of characters. We can go with the number of characters as 5.
Yeah, two female and 3 male, and according to me, the one who's standing could be the student or the student council. But I have written in my story that he's a student council, and he is motivating the students. Since a girl is raising her hands to ask her doubts that whether she can participate in such and such events, and she is asking for her doubt hearing session, and he is motivating the students for to participate in various events. Something we can do like that.
Yes, we
Okay.
can go with the organizing an event.
Yeah.
And the story can be like yeah.
Okay, time up, everyone. Now nominate one person to give the common group story.
As most of the points are made by Abhishek, a group can nominate Abhishek to conclude the story.
Yeah, I agree with Abhishek.
Thank you, gentlemen, for nominating me. So, as mutually discussed, the number of characters in the given picture are 5, in which there are 3 male and 2 female, and the age bracket is around 16 to 32 years. All are in neutral mood. The action of the story is organizing the debate competition. So the story goes like: Sudhir, 32 years old, was currently posted as assistant professor in the Gool College of Rajouri district. He was very enthusiastic and fond of teaching. He on one day went to the college and was asked to organize a debate competition on the Gandhi Jayanti among the students of his class. He reached the class, he shared all the details of the competition and got the names of the students, and also gave them a deadline about the time and date of the competition. He also did the sponsorship of the particular event, and also publicized the event by printing the pamphlets and publicizing on the different platforms like his college websites and different WhatsApp groups. He further helped the team to organize the events
Okay,
like
time up.
choosing a
Time
hall,
up, Abhishek.
decorating.
Time up.
Thank
Okay. Okay, so now let's start with the feedback, individual feedback. Okay, Deepak. Deepak, can you please turn on your camera? Deepak, if you talk about first of all individual narration, your flow was not there. You have to work upon your individual narration. You have to practice a lot. ये जो time मिलता है ना, the time you get between your writing part and your individual narration. Okay, you may get 1 minute or you may get half an hour. So you have to repeat your story as many times as you can. if you want to work upon your fluency during your individual narration, you have to practice. You have to mug up your story by heart. Don't give any chance to others. Okay, so you have to mug up your story by heart, and you have to like narrate your story fluently. Okay, this is the first impression you can create in front of an assessor. Okay, so this is the first time you are speaking and everybody is listening to you. If you are not able to create an impact right now, nobody is going to even the candidates and even the aspirants from your group are not going to listen to you because your fluency was not up to the mark. So if you want to create an impact, if you want people to listen to you while GD, or if you want assessors to see that my communication skills are good, I can participate in the upcoming 5 days, I deserve to be there. Okay, so you have to work upon your communication skills and you have to narrate your story crisp and clear, fluently. Okay, Deepak, you have to work upon your individual narration part. You made a story related to participating in the drama competition. Like picture was good, and you made a story which is which is relatable to the your picture. Okay, so and you also introduced that that main character went to the classroom and he asked for the volunteers who wants to participate and all. So your picture was also included in your story. There was one thing which I would suggest you: don't appreciate the hero in your story. At last, you appreciated the efforts of the hero. You have to appreciate the efforts of the people who helped you for the drama competition and all. Okay, you have to appreciate the participants. You have to appreciate authorities to giving you the opportunity. Okay, but never ever appreciate yourself in your story. Never ever appreciate your hero.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Got it? Deepak, if we talk about your GD part,
Yes, sir.
okay, you were not much active in your GD part. Okay, you have to work upon that because तुम इतनी दूर से आ रहे हो, पहले दिन घर जाना नहीं चाहोगे. There was awkward silence in your subgroup. जब मैंने 1 to 5 ग्रुप सबग्रुप को डिवाइड किया था, after 3 minutes, 2 minutes of discussion, there was a silence was there in your GD. Why? You will not get this kind of environment in SSB. In real SSB, there will be a bloodbath, chaos. Nobody is going to let you speak. So if you're not able to speak here, you won't be able to participate there as well. Okay, Deepak. So don't give chance to others. Okay. Otherwise, like they have some particular number in their mind. They want 30 candidates and they want from every group 3 to 4 candidates. Okay. So if you want to get shortlisted from your group for stage 1, so you have to participate. You have to show enthusiasm. You have to take initiatives during the GD part. Okay, Deepak. Raj.
Okay, sir.
Raj, your flow
Yes,
was
sir.
also not up to the mark. You have to mug up your story well. Okay, don't give any scope of mistake. ठीक है, अगर ये जो बीच में फिलर्स आ रहे हैं, आ रहा है, ठीक है, स्टॉपेज आ रहा है ना, पॉजेज आ रहे हैं बीच में, you have to work upon that. You have to mug up your story like I already told Deepak. ठीक है, don't give scope. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
only opportunity where you are going to speak and people are going to listen to you for straight whole 1 minute. ठीक है, don't give any scope of mistakes here. ठीक है, you made a story related to doubt class. Like your main teacher saw that
Yes,
few
sir.
students were not able to perform, so you conducted a doubt class and all. This is a very cliche story, and majority of the candidates are going to make a story like this. Okay, I want you to think out of the box. Or I want you to think so that you can stand out of the crowd. Okay, because this is a very common scene. Like if you see majority of the candidates, next test number also made a similar story. He also made a story related to doubt class and all. Okay, so this is a little bit negative thing. Like if students are not able to understand, it means that initially he was not able to explain things in a better way. ठीक है, और समथिंग एल्स, प्लीज डोंट मेक स्टूडेंट्स, जो है ना, स्टूडेंट्स पे ब्लेम मत करो कि स्टूडेंट पढ़ नहीं पाए थे तो फिर उसके लिए हमारा स्टूडेंट वो जो हीरो था, वो जो टीचर था, वो एक हीरो था, उसने बोला बच्चों टेंशन मत लो, मैं एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लूंगा, तुमको पढ़ाई कराऊंगा. ठीक है, डोंट मेक स्टोरी लाइक दिस इज अ वेरी क्लीशे स्टोरी. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विद योर स्टोरी. ठीक है, बट इट इज अ वेरी कन्वेंशनल स्टोरी एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स आर गोइंग टू मेक स्टोरीज लाइक दिस. ठीक है, आई जस्ट वांट यू टू थिंक differently. I want you to make stories on which Abhishek made a story like he's organizing a debate competition. Like few people are making a story related to starting up a coaching institute. Very good thing. अब see, a person who is organizing a debate competition, a person who is setting up a coaching institute, and a person who is a teacher and who is taking an extra class for completing the syllabus or completing the helping the students to clear their marks or to perform well in the upcoming exam. Whom do you think are more responsible or they have more confidence about themselves? They are having their more responsibility. Getting my point, Raj? ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Starting coaching, more responsibility, and also debate competition have more
Yes,
responsibility.
yes.
Definitely.
Coaching start करना is a very big thing. You need to have capital. You need to have good
Yes, sir.
organizing ability, planning ability. You need to have good self confidence, belief. है ना? You have to have good influencing the group. अगर आप coaching institute खोल रहे, it means that you have capability of influencing large masses. Then only you will get students. अगर तुम्हारे में capability नहीं होगी to communicate in a better
Definitely,
way,
sir.
so that you can bring students to your coaching. ठीक है? If you are starting a coaching class, this means that you have a good belief that you have good communication skills and you will attract the students towards yourself. ठीक है? So I want you to step up.
Sure.
ठीक है? If you are NDA and TS 10+2, this story is acceptable, like helping students in clearing their doubts. But you are now a graduate person and you are going for technical entries. I want you to like make something else. Like this particular person who is standing in front of the class, he's from mechanical background and he wanted to create a baja, something like that, and he came to various classes to select the volunteers. Got it? So you can make all these stories. Why do you want to stay at that conventional story? Okay, Raj, got my point?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है.
Got it. I will take care of this next time, definitely.
Okay, yeah, and your participation in GD was very good. You took initiative when like everybody was allowed in the participation. At the same time, when like the group was split into two, you were also participating and contributing your valuable points to make a common group story, and you were pushing your group towards the common group story. So GD part was really good. ठीक है. Harsh,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, Harsh, you only spoke for around 46 seconds, and your individual narration was not up to the mark. I want you to like improve your fluency. ठीक है? You have to mug up your stories and you have to repeat your story as soon as many times as you can. ठीक है? रट्टा मार लो. ठीक है? ये 1 मिनट है. मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही बोला for Deepak and Raj Verma. ठीक है? So this is the only 1 minute you will get where you will only speak. So this is the only chance to create an impact in front of an assessor, at the same time in front of your group mates. ठीक है? So work upon that and utilize your time. I am giving you 60 seconds and you're just speaking for around 46 seconds. भाई अगर मैं तुम्हें 60 गोलियां दे रहा हूँ बैटलफील्ड में जाने के लिए, तो तुम 46 गोलियों का यूज करोगे, तो it means that you are not utilizing your resources. You are not using your full ammunition, full firepower. Right? These 14 seconds which you left. ठीक है? This is the point. You can create an impact. You can talk about actions in detail. ठीक है? जितना डिटेल में बात करोगे उतना लगेगा या this candidate needs to be screened in. We'll have a good potential candidate. This is a potential candidate. Let's get him screened in. ठीक है? So utilize this 60 seconds. Don't worry. Like if you are worrying about like if assessor stops me for 40 seconds, 50 seconds, it depends on the assessor. ठीक है? It depends on the mood of the assessor कि उसको गाली पड़ी है कि नहीं. ठीक है? ये दुआ करो कि उसका मूड अच्छा होगा and he will allow you to speak for whole 1 minute. And you have to prepare for that only, for that ideal situation. ठीक है? You also made the story related to doubt class. So same thing for you as well. Similar to Raj. But your participation in GD was not up to the mark. You were not participating actively. You spoke 2 to 3 points, but I want more participation. ठीक है? There was a pin drop silence during the GD. ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है? In real life, real SSBs, you won't get such things like that. Until unless you are in a fresher group. Fresher groups are also nowadays they are coming prepared. They are more prepared than repeaters. ठीक है? Repeaters तो मुंह उठा के चले जाते हैं. But these freshers, they come up well prepared because they know that nowadays this fresher attempt is golden attempt. So they are ready with full firepower. ठीक है? So you have to work upon your GD part as well. Okay. Ravi.
Okay, sir.
Ravi, you only spoke for around 20 seconds and your individual narration was also not up to the mark. Although this was your first PPDT, acceptable for the first PPDT, but you have to work. Okay. And all these things, all these feedbacks which I am giving to others, these are not only for them. Okay. You have to take a cue from all these feedback points for yourself also. Because you are not supposed to repeat the same mistake which Raj did today and you are going to do the same thing in your next PPDT. Okay, you have to learn from others. You don't have that time कि भाई you are going to make mistakes by yourself and learn it. Otherwise, then you will increase your attempts. So you have to learn from others' mistakes as well. ठीक है? So Ravi, your story was related to that like teacher is teaching mythology in the class. So you are just describing the picture. Okay, you are not able to answer three thematic questions, that is what led to the situation, what is currently going and what is the future outcome. You can say, like if you talk about your mythology story, you can make a story like your main protagonist, this hero. Okay, so he was teaching students about the mythology. So he wanted students to understand this mythology well. So he took the students to museums, to various places, to forts and everything to explain, to help student understand better. ठीक है? And finally he got the feedback that students love this excursion or the things which he tried to explain the students better. ठीक है? So you have to make stories like that. You are just describing that teacher was teaching mythology. That's it. It is not acceptable. This is not a story. Got it, Ravi? Good try for the first time, but you
Yes,
have
sir.
to work upon it. But your participation in GD was zero. I gave you 3 times. I gave you 3 opportunities because you were fresher. In subgroup 1, you didn't spoke. In subgroup 2, you didn't spoke. And when I pointed out 3 names, Ravi, Quer, and Ashish, even that time you were not taking part. Okay, you have to work. You have to take part in GD. Okay, nobody is going to allow you to speak there. You have to take your responsibility on your own. Otherwise, you are going home on the same day. Okay, you want to do that. Okay, Ravi.
Sir.
So you have to actively participate in the GD. You have to work upon your story. Don't worry about story writing. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to learn how to write good story relatable to the given picture. Don't worry about it. I will tell you the concepts. Okay. But for the communication part, you have to work by yourself. Start delivering lectures on a daily basis. Start reading newspapers. Start reading books. Okay. Ginu, Ginu, am I pronouncing your name right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right, sir. Gino.
Yes. Ravi, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Ginu, like during your individual narration, I observed one thing. Yes, Raj, you can leave. Okay. Ginu, I observed like you were little fast during your individual narration. Okay. Don't speak so fast. Don't take the time pressure. Okay. Otherwise, your main objective of individual narration is to convey your thought, convey your thought process towards others, like to the group members, to the audience, to the assessors. But if you are if you think your main objective is to complete your individual narration as soon as possible, it doesn't matter if others are getting it or not. Then you are at the wrong side. Okay. Your main objective is to convey your thoughts, convey your story to others. So you have to be little slower. You have to take time. Don't worry about the time limit and all. If you are thinking like यार 40 second पे he will say stop next. ठीक है. Don't worry about it. You have to maintain your natural pace with which you speak with your friends.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So you have to work upon that. Just slow down little bit and you are good to go. Your individual narration was really good, crisp and clear. There's nothing I would say anything. And you spoke for around 51 seconds. If you speak a little slower, you will speak. You will be able to speak for 1 minute. Okay. Nothing to worry about in your individual narration. You just need to slow down little bit. Okay. You made a story related to coaching, starting a coaching institute, which is a very good theme. Okay. Already I mentioned what all points in this story are there. So very good story. And your participation in GD was also decent, but I want more. You have to participate more.
Sir.
There was a pin drop silence in your group, so you have to take initiative. ठीक है, या तो तुमने ज्यादा participate कर लिया हो, but you are not participating that much, so you can take initiative in between. When nobody is speaking in the group, you can take you can give your valuable points in your GD part. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Otherwise everything goes good. Okay, Gino.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Quer, what is your name?
Raju, sir.
Raju.
It's Raju.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So ये QWER का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, कुछ नहीं, जीवन बना के वैसे ही.
Code name है.
I mean,
मिलिट्री
no, sir,
इंटेलिजेंस
just
में हो गया.
temporary जीवन.
ठीक है. Okay. ठीक है, Raju. So your individual narration was not up to the mark. Your fluency was not there. You have to work upon that. You only spoke for around 44 seconds. ठीक है. Why you were only able to speak for 44 seconds? Because there was lack of actions in your story. ठीक है. You made a story related to encouraging students to perform well in the exam and to help them to perform well. ठीक है. So little bit it
No,
is
sir, not
also
exams. It was even.
competition, something like
It
that.
was. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to you can take a step ahead. है ना? You can make stories which help you to stand out. ठीक है. Just encouraging students to perform well in the upcoming competition is not going to help you out. ठीक है. You have to add actions. You have to make a story in which you can talk about the actions in detail. Got it? Although there is nothing wrong with your theme, but you can improve. You can think about other dimensions as well. Okay. The psychologist is not going to say no to you because of your story, but you can improve. You can go in different dimensions as well. Okay, Raju? Your participation in GD was not up to the mark. You only participated 1 or twice. ठीक है. घर नहीं जाना चाहते हो तो you have to take initiative. वरना पहले ही डे पे घर जाओगे. ठीक है, राजू.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, you gave the individual narration for around 55 seconds and your individual narration was really good. ठीक है. And you made a story related to debate competition. I already told you. like it was a very good thing, and your participation in GD was also very good. Okay, although I have observed, see, if in your group others are not participating and only two people were participating in the group two, that is Abhishek and Hitesh. See, both of you are really good in your GD. But if you see that like there are two or three members other, like there are these three members and they are not participating, so you can encourage them. You can like push them so that they can also put forward their point, because this is a GD, not a conversation between Abhishek and Hitesh. Okay, so you have to include the opinions, thoughts, and other things as well from the other participants of the group. Got it, Abhishek? So you have to, वो जो होता है ना साथ में लेके चलने वाला
Okay.
इंसान होता है. So you have to act like a leader. You have to take everyone with you. ठीक है अभिषेक?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Everything was good from your side, and your common group story, you got nominated from others. This is a very good sign. It means that people trust you. ठीक है. So you have to participate in a GD. Then only others will nominate you for a common group story. अगर तुमने कुछ बोला ही नहीं GD में, so how others will nominate you? ठीक है. जैसे रवि हो गया, राजू हो गया, ठीक है, आशीष हो गया. They were not participating much. So how will you create an impact in front of an assessor? अगर बच्चों को ही नहीं समझ आ रहा, बच्चे ही, the candidates are not relying, like found you reliable person. If they are not choosing you for the common group story, how come you can expect the assessor will choose you? Got it? Ashish, Raju and Ravi. ठीक है. Ashish, you were reading your story
Yeah.
during individual narration.
No.
I thought you were reading. Although your individual narration was not up to the mark, you have to work upon your fluency. ठीक है. Mug up your stories by heart between the time you get. Okay. You spoke for around 46 seconds. You have to work
Yeah.
upon individual narration part. You made a story related to maths examination, something like that. ठीक है. Preparation or something like. So these are very conventional stories. ठीक है. I want you to think out of the box, like the stories which will help you to stand out. ठीक है. Preparation for the upcoming competitive exams, clearing doubts, है ना, helping students to perform well in the upcoming exam. These are very cliche stories, and majority of the freshers will make stories like this. So avoid these stories. You can think like something else. Okay. Participation in
Yeah.
GD was 0. ठीक है. I want you to participate more. ठीक है. After like I pointed you out, Ravi, Raju and Ashish, then only you started participation. If you can participate in this point, at this point, so you can participate in the main GD part as well. ठीक है. Don't be shy.
Yeah. Okay.
ठीक है. अगर शाय
Yeah.
रहोगे घर जाओगे.
Definitely.
ठीक है. जैसे बोला जाता है ना कि जब खाना खाते हैं तो शर्माना नहीं चाहिए, वैसे ही जीडी में जब पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो तो शर्माना नहीं, अदरवाइज यू विल गो होम. ठीक है आशीष.
Okay.
हितेश.
Yes, sir.
Hitesh, you impressed me with your story, your individual narration. You spoke for around 56 seconds. You made a story related to preparation for the placement interview. Although your story is conventional, but it is like relatable. Okay, so you made a good story with good actions part. You described it very well through your individual narration. You created an impact जब तुमने अपना narration दिया. And when it comes to your GD part, you participated really well. ठीक है, you like ऐसा लग रहा था कि you are maturely participating, you are giving your valuable input so that we can come up with a common group story. Okay, so you participated and performed really well in the PPDT. Okay, so anyone else having any doubt related to today's session?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Hitesh.
Sir, I have seen your YouTube videos, the recommended candidates. Most of us saying that you have to make a story which most of the candidates make.
See,
Means relatable.
you don't have to make the story which majority of the candidates are going to make. Please don't go with that. Okay, you have to make a story which justifies the picture given in the PPDT. Okay, if you are able to justify or if you are able to introduce your picture in the starting or the middle part of your story, then your story is good, irrespective in which dimension you are talking about. It doesn't matter कि your theme is different from other candidates. If you think your theme is different, so during the GD part you can propose your theme, and if others agree and your theme is logical and relatable to the given picture, then others will accept it. If others are not accepting it, then बहती गंगा में हाथ धो लो. Then okay gentlemen, if you don't want to go with this theme, let's go ahead with your theme, or the chess number so and so gave a very good theme, so we can make a story upon this theme. ठीक है, तो हितेश डोंट वरी अबाउट इट कि अदर्स क्या बनाएंगे. ठीक है, वो होता है ना समाज में चार लोग क्या बोलेंगे. डोंट वरी अबाउट कि चार लोग क्या स्टोरी लिखेंगे. ठीक है, you have to just justify the picture which is given in your story.
Okay.
If you are satisfied with it, be confident about your individual narration and story. ठीक है, then only you will be able to participate fearlessly in your GD part. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
Thank you.
Anyone?
It is a common doubt in
Yes, Ginu.
it is a common doubt in group discussion. Sir, sometimes officers are selecting a people who are dominating. Sometimes they are
Yes.
selecting a person who are very cooperative and who did not speak a lot. They just try
Yes.
to speak. If they are getting obstructed, they'll stop their GD and they'll sit quiet, and still they get screened in.
Yes.
So I cannot rely on these parameters. Often I think that I did a good performance. I get screened out.
Yeah.
I did not do really well. I was not up to the mark. I'll be ready to back my luggages. I'll get screened in.
Yeah.
So I'm not
So
getting this
actually,
parameter.
this is the part. See, these assessors are also individuals, and they have their biases. Okay, some individuals feels like this person is dominating. This is not good for forces, and some assessors will feel like this is the person who is taking the lead. He is pushing the group forward. है ना? So perception of the person is also matters, and these assessors also have their own perceptions towards persons or individuals. Like these two person can perceive the one person in different ways. ठीक है, अगर कोई dominate कर रहा है, so one might think he is a dominating character. He is going to create a chaos in the upcoming stage 2. So we should not take him. And one person will think like this is a person who is going to participate enthusiastically. He is an active participant. So we need to take this guy. He is a potential officer. So don't worry about all these things. Don't worry कि यार I have to be dominative or I have to be like I have to participate in a balanced way. ठीक है? Just give your points, give your best. ठीक है? Don't think like if you feel like you are dominating, then take a step back. ठीक है? If you want to give points, if you have good points, so if you are giving 1 point, ठीक है? After giving your first point, wait for some time. Let 2 to 3 other speakers speak before your next point. ठीक है? Don't give points back to back. Otherwise, it will irritate. It will feel like Genu is the only knowledgeable person, and Genu doesn't like respect all the other participants. Genu believes that he is the superior person who gave all the valuable points, and he is only person who is going to make a good story. Others are not. Rest of them are not there for their PPDT. Okay, so you have to respect your group mates. You have to give chance to them, and you have to balance your act throughout your GD. ठीक है? If you are giving your point, you have to just balancedly give your valuable points. Like first of all, you give your point, then step back, wait for 2 to 3 other participants to participate, then come back in the GD, give your point, then step back. This is how you can give your like balanced participation in the GD part. ठीक है? So this approach is very helpful. ठीक है? ऐसा भी नहीं रहना चाहिए कि you are continuously speaking in your group. ठीक है? This irritates the assessor. Or another thing is you are sitting silent. This is also dangerous. So you don't have to. You have to avoid both the extremes. You don't have to dominate thoroughly, and you don't have to sit silently throughout your GD. Got it, Genu? You have to balance everything.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
सर
Ravi?
जीडी में फिश मार्केट बन जाता है, उस टाइम पे बोलेंगे तो भी कुछ सुनेगा नहीं.
Yes, nobody is going to allow you to speak. So first of all, you created the impact during your individual narration. So now entering officer knows that this person have a good communication skills or good power of expression. ठीक है, वहां पर एक पॉइंट मिल चुका है. Now GD part is going to be assessed by the GTO. ठीक है, so whenever there is a point, like whenever one speaker is speaking, ठीक है, so you have to like find a point where his point is about to end. ठीक है, don't wait for him to end. ठीक है, you have to take the cue from the continuous manner. Like if one like candidate is speaking his point, gentlemen, we have to like we can clearly perceive from the background. It is looking like a institute, and one character is clearing doubts of few characters. So अब जैसे अब ये जो point है ना, ये end की तरफ आ रहा है. So the pitch and the tone of the candidate who is giving his point, it will getting low. ठीक है, ये जो low होगी ना, tone low होती जाएगी जैसे ही. तो इसी के साथ you have to take the initiative and you have to start your point at that particular instant. ठीक है दीपक? You have to squeeze into the points of different candidates. Got it, Deepak? Otherwise, if you wait for your opportunity,
Yes, sir.
that others will let you speak, you will never get an opportunity. You have to create your own opportunities. Got it, Deepak?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else having any doubt? Yes, Abhishek.
सर इन टुडेज जीडी समवेयर आई फेल्ट कि यार मैं थोड़ा डोमिनेट कर रहा हूँ ग्रुप को.
वो थोड़ा सा डोमिनेट नहीं था.
क्योंकि
एक्चुअली क्या था ना कि आपके ग्रुप में ना पार्टिसिपेंट्स कम थे. आपके जैसे मैंने रवि को ऐड कर दिया था. रवि वॉज नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग. ठीक है, राजू वॉज नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग. आशीष वॉज नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग. तो अब आपके पास ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. ठीक है,
एग्जैक्टली
अब
वो
कौन ही
चुप
बोलेगा?
होता फिर वो
जी, वो ऑकवर्ड
साइलेंट हो
साइलेंस हो
जाता
जाता है. ऑकवर्ड साइलेंस से बेटर है कि यू पार्टिसिपेट और यू कैन पुश फॉरवर्ड अदर कैंडिडेट्स एज वेल. ठीक है, ओके चेस्टमर सो एंड सो, वुड यू लाइक टू ऐड एनी मोर पॉइंट्स टू दिस स्टोरी और समथिंग लाइक दैट. यू कैन गिव अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू अदर्स.
ओके.
ठीक है, No worries. Otherwise, your GD was good. Anything else? Okay then. We will meet tomorrow.
हेजी पिक्चर आती है या क्लियर पिक्चर होती है?
No, like वहाँ पे
PSP
हेजी
जनरेशन
पिक्चर,
हेजी पिक्चर होती है.
हेजी पिक्चर भी हो सकती है और लाइक क्लियर पिक्चर भी हो सकती है. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. वो पिक्चर कैसी भी हो, वी विल लर्न हाउ टू टैकल ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन द अपकमिंग सेशंस. गॉट इट दीपक? फ्रॉम टुमारो
Okay.
ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ठीक है, हाउ टू टैकल दीज पिक्चर्स, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी नीड टू कीप इन माइंड व्हाइल राइटिंग अ स्टोरी. ठीक है. Okay then, we'll meet tomorrow at 7:30 am. Okay Abhishek, you have any doubt?
फिर वो आपने कहा था ना कि बैच नंबर से वो बोर्ड का पता चल जाएगा.
I will share that thing.
ओके,
ठीक है.
सर वो मैंने निकाल दिया था. बैच नंबर 72217 है मेरा.
ठीक है, मैं आपको वो भेज देता हूँ. एक्चुअली मैंने अपने टेलीग्राम चैनल पे वो शेयर कर रखा है कि बैच सेलेक्ट कैसे होता है, तो वो मैं फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा.
ओके ओके सर.
Anything else? Anyone? Okay then, bye bye. Take care. Good day.